Preparing for the CSS, Central Superior Services, examinations in Pakistan is a rigorous and demanding process that requires careful planning, dedication, and a systematic approach. The CSS exams are conducted by the Federal Public Service Commission, FPSC, to recruit candidates for various civil service positions in the country. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to prepare for CSS examinations. 1. Understand the CSS Exam Structure ***. CSS exams consist of a written examination followed by a viva voce, interview, phase. The written examination comprises 12 papers, including compulsory and optional subjects. Compulsory papers include English essay, English précis and composition, general science and ability, current affairs, Pakistan affairs, and Islamic studies or comparative religion. You will also choose 6 optional subjects, each consisting of 2 papers. A candidate's performance in the written exam determines eligibility for the interview. 2. Choose your optional subjects wisely ***. Select optional subjects based on your interests, background, and their scoring trends. Consult previous year's results and discuss with mentors. Balancing between scoring and your interests is crucial. Opt for subjects that you can study consistently. ***. 3. Gather study materials ***. Acquire recommended books, notes, and study materials for each subject. The FPSC syllabus provides guidance on this. Join local libraries or online forums to access study materials and resources. ***. 4. Create a study plan ***. Develop a realistic study plan that covers all subjects, allocating more time to challenging ones. Divide your day into study periods, breaks, and revision. Stick to your schedule diligently. 5. Join a CSS Academy ***. Many aspirants choose to attend CSS Academies for structured guidance and coaching. Find reputable CSS Academies in your area or explore online options. 6. Practice previous papers ***. Solve past CSS papers to understand the exam pattern and improve time management. Analyze your performance and identify weak areas for improvement. 7. Stay updated ***. Stay informed about current affairs, both national and international. Read newspapers, watch news, and follow reliable online sources. 8. Improve your writing skills ***. Practice essay and précis writing regularly to enhance your writing skills. Seek feedback from mentors or peers. 9. Mock interviews ***. Enroll in mock interview sessions to prepare for the viva voce phase. Get constructive feedback to improve your interview performance. 10. Stay healthy ***. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep to stay physically and mentally fit during your preparation. 11. Stay motivated ***. CSS exams can be mentally challenging. Stay motivated by setting short-term and long-term goals. Surround yourself with a supportive study group or mentor. 12. Revise thoroughly ***. Before the exam, dedicate sufficient time to revision. Review your notes, practice papers, and key concepts. 13. Exam day strategy ***. On the day of the exam, remain calm, read instructions carefully, and manage your time wisely. 14. Learn from mistakes ***. After the exam, evaluate your performance and learn from your mistakes to improve in the next attempt. 15. Stay positive and persistent ***. CSS exams are highly competitive. Stay positive, be persistent, and never lose sight of your goal. Remember that CSS preparation can take several months, and success often comes after multiple attempts. Stay committed to your preparation, adapt your strategy based on your progress, and continuously strive for improvement. Good luck with your CSS examinations.